Hi guys, in this session we will discuss about style binding in Angular. In the previous session we have discussed class binding in Angular. It is similar to class binding, but the only difference is instead of class.property name we use style.property name. So let's see with an example. So for this greet text I want to apply some style with the help of style binding. Let's see how we do that one. So I am taking some property binding syntax and putting some style dot color. So this is the syntax for style binding. Style dot property name equal to, let's say we want to apply some red color. So we need to mention red color inside the single quotes. So let's refresh the page. So here you can see welcome to Angular text is visible in the red color. So we can do with some variable. Let's define some variable inside the class component, color name equal to red. This color name property can be used to bind in the HTML component. Here no need to use single quotes as we are taking this variable from the component file. This will also work as expected. So same like class binding, we can able to bind the styles based on the condition. Let's say we want to bind the color name based on the boolean value. So here we are having isValid property and checking here with if it is valid, we want to apply some green color, otherwise it will be red color. Let's refresh the page. Here you can see welcome to Angular is the second line is coming in the green color. Why? Because isValid is true in the component. So what we are doing here, style dot color equal to, this is the condition isValid is true, that is why the green color is applying. So let's make this one as a false. We should get red color for the text. So for the second line you can observe red color we are getting. So in the same way we can apply multiple classes using ng style. Let's copy this one and paste it here. Let's use ng style, which is to bind multiple styles to the particular element. Same like ng class. So here we can take an object. Okay, here I am taking an object and the list of properties we can mention here. For example, color colon some yellow and next font, let's take background color, background and color to some blue. Okay, let's refresh the page. Here you can see for the third element what we have written, we have given multiple styles with the help of ng style and we have mentioned color property, color equal to yellow and background color equal to blue. So the same CSS is applying for the third element. So here you can see we need to mention background color with this hyphen. So color yellow is applying, background color blue is applying. So we can do this one with another way. We can mention a method here, bind CSS. You can give any method name, bind styles I am taking. So this method can be called inside this component. Let's take the same method name and you can return same styles from here. Let's copy this object. Okay, and paste it into the component file. Return, we need to return that object. This will also works as expected. Here you can see the difference between the third and fourth line. In the HTML file we have done something like, for the third element we have write inline CSS, inline styles, ng style, color we have mentioned yellow, background hyphen color, and if we are having more style properties, it is better to go with this approach, bind styles. Simply you can call one method and you can write any conditions in this class component, so it will look simplified manner. Let's revise one more time what we have done for the style binding. Same like class binding, we have used style dot property color. Here is a, we are applying color name. What is the color name? Here in the component file we have taken color name as red, so the same variable have given color name. So for the first element we are getting red color. For the second HTML element we are binding the CSS based on the condition. If it is valid we are applying green color, otherwise we are applying red color. So is valid is what we have taken false. That is why for the second element we are getting red color. If you observe the third and fourth elements, we are applying multiple CSS properties using ng style. Here we have mentioned color as an yellow and background color as blue. We have done this one in two ways. Instead of specifying whole the style object in the HTML file, we can wrap that one into the component file and we can return the same object from here. So that will look simplified. That's it for this session guys. Thank you guys for watching and we will see in the next session.